Hello and welcome to second part of the tutorial in which we are designing animated advertising board in Photoshop. So we will continue from the last step we left. We have designed the building and the clouds of our main canvas. So now what we will do is we will design the pole, or the, let's say we can call it the pillars of the billboard. Or here we will design the two pillars of the billboard. So to do that we will just grab the rectangular shape tool, round edges rectangular shape tool from the tool palette. I will select the pillars and I will draw a shape like this over here with white color. Also I will draw one more shape like this over here. Basically we are designing a pillar. Again I will select the round edge rectangle shape, and using this tool I will draw one more shape over here, and I will just drag this shape toward this area, and we will now, using this line, we will convert this image to our pillar, and we will give this shape a pillar layer, like two stands and two pillars of our billboard, the advertising board we are going to design. So I'll just press Ctrl J to duplicate this. Once I will just set its size, and then I will duplicate it and make the selection at certain places. Here it is. Now I will just press Ctrl J to duplicate it, and I will just drag it over here down there. Again Ctrl J to duplicate. You can just right click on the layer to duplicate it, or you can just press Ctrl J to duplicate it. I have hide the clouds layer. Now also I will hide the building layers to have a clear look on my pillar. So here it is. Now I will again press Ctrl J to duplicate this, and now I will transform it vertically. Again Ctrl J to duplicate this. And just drag the duplicated layer over down there. Again one more duplicated layer over here. So here we are. Now we will draw one more layer at the top of our beam or pillar. I will adjust the slides of the pillar. I will drag one more shape over here like this. So here we are almost done with this. Now we will create a new group over here, and we will put all these layers into one group so that we can easily hide or copy the pillar. So I will just go over here and I will click on new group, and here I will name this group as pillars. Click OK. Now I will drag all these layers into my pillar group so that we can easily move all the layers together. We can duplicate them to make a new pillar. So here it is. Now I will unhide this and I will drag this toward the top so that it can the pillars came up in the front of the clouds in the building area. Right click on that and I will duplicate this layer, or just right click on the pillar group and click on duplicate group. I will rename this to duplicate, or let's say pillar 2. Click OK, and I will just drag this whole group. Now you see the benefit of putting all the layers in groups, that you can easily move all the layers together. Now next step is we are going to make the billboard on these two pillars. So again select the round edge rectangular tool and draw a shape like this over your canvas to give a look of billboard. Here it is. Now what we do is just right click on that, Control T to transform, get free transformation. Right click on that and select on distort, and I will just move this a little bit over here like this. And I will just make this like this to give it a sliding look. You can get free transformation, then right click and that click or distort to make it in any way you like. Once you are done with the selection and the distortion, just hit enter to apply the transformation. So here it is. Now double click on the layer to get the layer style. Click on the drop shadow first to have a look on what it look like. Make these settings. Again click on bevel and emboss, and over here the main work you are going to do, just uncheck the drop shadow first. Now go to bevel and emboss, select on emboss. Over here you can use your own creativity to make the selection of the different tools. It's not that much hard that you are thinking. Just pick one tool and see what the difference comes in with the image, and if you don't like that change, just make another tool, just change the style you are going in. So it's simple, trying different things together to give a new thing. So just keep playing with these layer styles, structures and shading to have a perfect look you are looking for. Also I will check on contour, and over here I will select some different contour. You can have any one contour that you like and that suits the best. So from here I will continue in the third part of the tutorial.